Hey guys, I'm Logan. We're up to Season 3, Episode 9 of Game of Thrones. Important stuff right ahead. Listen up very carefully. Game of Thrones will be different. I have decided I can go joking with this, or I can go serious with this. I'm a very joking person, so I kind of want to pull a prank on you guys, but no, I'm not going to do that. I'm fighting back. Serious. Game of Thrones will be binged. I will binge watch Game of Thrones. I have said in the past, if I binge watch, I will not make reactions to it. I've changed my mind. I will binge Game of Thrones. It is not going to be a binge in a couple days. It is going to be a binge in however long it takes. I'm going to watch as many episodes as I can and make a reaction to as many episodes as I can in a single day. It is still going to be kind of like this. So Monday, I'll make as many Game of Thrones reactions as I can. Tuesday, I'll make as many as I can. Wednesday, I'll make as many as I can. Thursday, I'll make as many as I can. Here's the thing. That does not mean you're getting 3 episodes of Game of Thrones on Monday, because I still have to edit them. Tier 3 patrons, and this is why I say listen very, very carefully. People are going to get very confused, I guarantee you. Tier 3 patrons will get everything first. So, say I watch Season 4, Episode 1 of Game of Thrones. Is that on the schedule? Yes, it's on the... Wait, is it on the... No, I'm looking at my schedule. It looks like Season 4, Episode 1 of Game of Thrones is supposed to be posted next week on Friday. They might get it today. Tier 3 patrons might get that today. That does not mean that YouTube gets it a week after they get it. You see what I'm saying? So, Tier 3 patrons might get an episode this day, and then YouTube doesn't get it for another few weeks, because I gotta edit it. And Tier 3 patrons get the full version of it. So, they're going to get it first. And when it comes to uploading the videos, yes, I might upload 4 on Tuesday. I might upload 2 on Tuesday. I might upload 5 on Tuesday. I might upload 1 on Tuesday. It's just what I can get out. I'm going to watch them quicker. I'm going to be farther ahead than what y'all are probably going to be watching. That does not mean that you are going to be caught up on YouTube. You're going to be behind, but it's going to get everything done quicker. The editing process is a long process, and I might be able to fit a couple edits in one day, which can then throw it out to YouTube. It'll still be... We'll try and keep this schedule of at least getting this one specific episode on that day, but you might get like 2 more episodes with it. So as soon as I get an episode, it will be uploaded. It's going to stick to this, so you're not going to get Game of Thrones here, but you might just get multiple here. Alright? So Game of Thrones will be binged. Tier 3 patrons are getting it before anybody. I hope there's no confusion. Here we go.
I'm asking your advice.
Burn it to the ground.
We have enough men?
If Walder Frey cooperates.
If Walder Frey cooperates.
If. Giant if.
Show them how it feels to lose what they love.
Oh God.
This is our Wyan, my daughter Walda, my daughter Derwa, my daughter Waldra.
Oh, thank God you weren't going to say them all.
My eldest granddaughters, Janea, Waldina.
I'm Murray.
Fine. And here,
I cannot set right the wrong I have done to you and your
I
house.
feel like she's in a dangerous
I
place.
beg your forgiveness.
and I can respect that. And the music will play loud,
This is a miserable
and
place.
we'll put this mess behind us.
Or perhaps you'll lead Grey Worm and me to the slaughter,
Exactly.
cutting the head off our army. The masters of Yunkai will pay you your fee and you won't have to split it 3 ways because you've already slaughtered your partners.
You have a very suspicious mind.
You did betray
My
people
experience, only
already.
Dishonest people think.
You leave tonight.
Very good.
That from staring at marks on paper.
Yes.
You're like a wizard.
Okay.
Our father used to tell us that no wildling ever looked upon the wall and lived. Here we are. Alive.
There's plenty of time to die. So don't get your hopes up.
Many thanks.
You didn't have to do
Don't kill him.
that.
Dead rats don't squeak.
You'd be like a kitten to him. He'd kill you with his little finger.
That him?
Maester Lewin taught me that.
Maester.
There's a storm coming. I don't see any.
Okay. Freaking voodoo master.
If one old man and 8 good horses. What's one old man doing with 8 horses?
Exactly.
Breeds them for the watch.
Oh, never mind.
folks from sea.
The old man's no threat. I keep telling you.
Oh,
He's
come.
an old man.
So?
A spear through the heart's the better way to die than coughing up your last with none but your heart.
Seven horses. Get on over there, girl.
What's there? And you're afraid you won't make it. The closer you get, the worse the fear gets. No point in trying to hide behind that face.
You're afraid of fire. When Beric's sword went
Obviously.
you look like a scared little girl. Someday, I'm gonna put a sword through your eye and out the back of your skull.
At the wall. Only 3 it's storm.
Hold on.
One of those abandoned fortresses will give us a way through.
Hodor does not like
Gates
storms.
sealed with ice and stone.
Quiet, hold on. Make him shut up if they hear us.
Hush, hold on. No more hodering.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Calm down.
What the hell?
Quiet.
Hear us.
Hold on. Hold on.
What the hell?
Go on. He's a crow.
Oh! Oh! Get wrecked, bitch.
You were right though.
Shit! 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 Damn, okay.
That one was quick.
Son of a bitch. 3 badasses with sharp things. What the hell?
I hope I'm not a disappointment to you.
Hell no!
No one can do that. Anyway.
Damn.
Their slave soldiers threw down their spears and surrendered.
Hell yeah.
The city is yours, my queen.
Victory is sweet. This is a swell party.
Any woman I've ever met.
Be kind. She's finally starting to like you.
That is a very strange custom.
I suppose it does seem strange from a foreigner's perspective.
Seems normal to you. Don't you want to teach little Ned Stark how to ride horses?
I do.
Yes. Yes! Is something wrong? What is going through your mind?
Are you soft in the head?
Wait,
Turn this car around.
what the hell's going on?
The hospitality you deserve.
What the hell's going on?
Married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
You motherfucker. You! No, 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 no! Oh my god! What the absolute fuck?
Aye, it's over.
Oh my god. Oh my god!
It's too late.
Dude! What? No! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Let him go, and I swear we will forget this. I swear it by the old gods and you. We will take no vengeance.
You already swore me one oath right here in my castle.
On my honor as a Tully. On my honor as a Stark. Let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
I'll find another.
Oh, mother, son of a shit. This is...
Mother. The Lannisters send their regards.
You fucking piece of shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even know what to say. The Starks are out. In one episode. Just like that. That turned so fast. So many people I liked died. In one fucking episode. I don't know what to say. I don't think there's anything to say. Rob was already off the top 10. The rest of it's gonna stay the same. I think Lord Bolton just freaking catapulted himself into a conversation for future top 10 placements. Frey, what is his first name? Frey. He did the same. Like, they're in the conversation now, and I think they're in the conversation more than anybody else for a top 10 spot. But right now it's going to stay the same. I'll see y'all next time.